Hey there, Snapchat users. If you're watching this, you're probably frustrated because you can't log into Snapchat due to a pesky connection error. Don't worry, I'm here to help you fix it step by step. This issue, often seen in 2025, is usually related to network problems, app glitches, or device settings. By the end of this video, you'll be back to sharing snaps in no time. Let's dive in. First things first, the most common cause is a weak or unstable internet connection. Start by checking your Wi-Fi or mobile data. Open a web browser and load a simple site like Google. If it doesn't load, restart your router or switch to a different network. Once your connection is stable, try logging into Snapchat again. If that doesn't work, let's move on to restarting the Snapchat app. Simply close the app completely. On iOS, swipe it away from the app switcher. On Android, force stop it from settings. Then, reopen it and attempt to log in. This quick reset often clears temporary glitches. Next, make sure your Snapchat app is up to date. Outdated versions can cause compatibility issues. Head to your App Store, Google Play for Android or the App Store for iPhone, and check for updates. Install any available ones, as developers release fixes for errors like this regularly. Another effective step is clearing the app's cache. Cached data can build up and cause connection problems. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Snapchat, Storage, Clear Cache. For iOS users, you might need to offload the app or restart your device to achieve a similar effect. After clearing, relaunch Snapchat and see if the error persists. If you're still stuck, restart your entire device. Sometimes, a full reboot fixes underlying system issues. Turn off your phone, wait 30 seconds, and turn it back on. Then, try logging in again. One more thing. Check if Snapchat's servers are down. You can do this by searching online for Snapchat status or using downtime checker tools. If it's a widespread issue, you'll just have to wait it out. As a last resort, uninstall and reinstall Snapchat. This will remove any corrupted files while keeping your account intact. Download the latest version from your App Store and log in fresh. There you have it. Simple steps to resolve that connection error. If these tips helped, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech fixes. Remember, tech can be tricky, but you're now equipped to handle it. Happy snapping!